The ancient Maya civilization, once a beacon of knowledge and culture, vanished into the mists of time. Their magnificent cities, now reclaimed by jungles, stand as silent witnesses to a mysterious collapse. What led to the demise of this once powerful civilization? The Maya's disappearance is a puzzle that continues to intrigue historians, archaeologists, and scientists alike. This essay delves into the intricate tapestry of environmental, social, and political factors that contributed to their downfall. Unraveling the mystery of the Maya collapse is not merely an academic exercise. It serves as a stark reminder of the delicate balance between civilization and the environment. By understanding the factors that led to their decline, we gain valuable insights into the sustainability of our own societies. The Maya story is a cautionary tale, urging us to learn from the past to safeguard our future. To understand the magnitude of the Maya collapse, we must first appreciate the heights they reached. Emerging around 2000 BCE, the Maya civilization flourished in present-day southeastern Mexico, Guatemala, Belize, and western Honduras. They were renowned astronomers, mathematicians, and architects. Their intricate calendar system, advanced mathematics, and impressive architectural feats like the towering pyramids of Tikal and Chichen Itza stand as testaments to their ingenuity. The Maya were not a single unified empire, but a collection of independent city-states. Each city-state had its own ruler, often referred to as an Aja, who governed with the support of a complex social hierarchy. Despite their political fragmentation, the Maya were unified by a common culture, religion, and trade networks. They excelled in agriculture, cultivating crops like maize, beans, and squash, which formed the backbone of their diet. The Maya civilization, in its prime, was a vibrant tapestry of intellectual prowess, architectural grandeur, and agricultural innovation. The Maya civilization thrived in a delicate balance with its environment. However, over time, their growing population and agricultural practices put immense pressure on the surrounding rainforests. To accommodate their burgeoning population and agricultural needs, the Maya cleared vast swathes of forests. This deforestation had a devastating impact on the ecosystem, leading to soil erosion and reduced rainfall. The once lush rainforests, vital for maintaining soil fertility and regulating rainfall patterns, were slowly depleted. The loss of trees disrupted the natural water cycle, making the region more susceptible to droughts. As the environment degraded, it set off a chain reaction that would have dire consequences for the Maya civilization. As the Maya civilization prospered, so did its population. The growing population placed increasing demands on the already strained resources. More people meant a greater need for food and land, further accelerating deforestation and environmental degradation. The Maya's reliance on a single crop, maize, made them particularly vulnerable to environmental changes. Maize cultivation, while efficient, is highly demanding on the soil. The continuous cultivation of maize, coupled with deforestation, depleted the soil of essential nutrients, leading to declining agricultural yields. The combination of overpopulation, resource depletion, and environmental degradation created a perfect storm that threatened the very foundations of Maya society. Section 5. Shifting weather patterns, the hand of climate change. Adding to their woes, the Maya civilization was hit by a series of devastating droughts. Climate change, a recurring challenge throughout history, played a significant role in the Maya's decline. Studies of ancient climate records, like sediment layers from lakes and cenotes, reveal a prolonged period of reduced rainfall during the 8th and 9th centuries AD. These droughts, more severe and prolonged than in previous centuries, had a catastrophic impact on Maya agriculture. Crops failed, water sources dried up, and famine spread throughout the land. While the Maya were skilled water managers, building elaborate reservoirs and irrigation systems, these proved insufficient in the face of such severe and prolonged droughts. The changing climate, coupled with human-induced environmental degradation, proved to be a deadly combination. Section 6. The food basket falters, agricultural decline and famine. The once bountiful fields of maize, the staple of the Maya diet, began to fail with alarming regularity. As droughts intensified and soils degraded, agricultural yields plummeted. The Maya, heavily reliant on agriculture, faced widespread famine. The lack of food led to malnutrition, disease, and increased mortality rates, weakening the once thriving civilization. The scarcity of resources fostered competition and conflict between Maya city-states, further exacerbating the crisis. The once vibrant trade networks that connected Maya cities, facilitating the exchange of food and other essential goods, collapsed. The Maya world, once a network of interconnected and interdependent city-states, fragmented into isolated and increasingly desperate entities. Section 7. Internal strife and warfare, seeds of discontent. As resources dwindled and hardships mounted, tensions within and between Maya city-states escalated. Competition for dwindling resources, fertile land, and control of trade routes led to increased warfare. Evidence suggests that warfare, once largely ritualistic, became more frequent and destructive during the 8th and 9th centuries AD. The constant warfare further drained the resources of an already weakened civilization. It disrupted trade, destabilized political structures, and diverted manpower from essential activities like agriculture. The once cooperative relationships between Maya city-states, essential for trade and mutual support, dissolved into suspicion and hostility. The internal strife and warfare, fueled by environmental pressures, created a climate of fear and instability. Section 8. The crumbling power structure, political instability. The environmental and social upheavals had a profound impact on the Maya political landscape. As resources became scarce and internal conflicts escalated, the authority of Maya rulers was challenged. The divine right of kings, a cornerstone of Maya political ideology, was questioned as people lost faith in their leaders' ability to provide stability and prosperity. The once powerful Maya rulers, unable to provide for their people or ensure their safety, lost their grip on power. Inscriptions on stelae, once chronicling the accomplishments of kings, increasingly reflected themes of conflict, instability, and despair. The elaborate system of governance, with its complex hierarchy of nobles, priests, and administrators, crumbled under the weight of environmental and social pressures. Section 9. A complex web interwoven factors of decline. The collapse of the Maya civilization was not the result of any single catastrophic event, but rather a complex interplay of environmental, social, and political factors. It was a slow and agonizing decline spanning centuries, with each factor exacerbating the others. Deforestation and environmental degradation, coupled with climate change, created a cascade of problems. These environmental pressures led to agricultural decline, famine, and increased competition for resources. Social unrest, political instability, and warfare further weakened the Maya civilization, making it impossible to cope with the mounting challenges. The Maya collapse serves as a stark reminder that civilizations are not immune to the consequences of environmental degradation and resource depletion. Section 10. Lessons from the past. Relevance in the modern world. The story of the Maya collapse holds profound lessons for our modern world. It highlights the interconnectedness of human societies and the environment, and the potential consequences of unsustainable practices. Just as the Maya cleared vast forests to support their growing population and agricultural needs, modern societies continue to exploit natural resources at an unsustainable rate. Climate change, a significant factor in the Maya decline, is once again a pressing global issue. The Maya's failure to adapt to changing environmental conditions serves as a cautionary tale. By understanding the factors that led to their collapse, we can learn from their mistakes and strive for a more sustainable future. Section 11. Conclusion. Unraveling the threads of a lost civilization. The collapse of the Maya civilization remains a subject of ongoing research and debate. While many questions remain unanswered, it is clear that their decline was a complex process. It was not simply an environmental collapse or a political failure, but a combination of interconnected factors. The Maya story is a reminder that even the most advanced civilizations are vulnerable to the consequences of environmental degradation, climate change, and social unrest. By studying the past, we gain valuable insights into the present and the future. The Maya civilization, though long gone, offers us a glimpse into the intricate tapestry of human history and the delicate balance between civilization and the environment. Their story serves as a cautionary tale, urging us to act responsibly and strive for a more sustainable future for all.